Policymakers, doctors and global health experts have converged in New Delhi for WION's Health Pulse Summit. Here's an excerpt from the second session which focused on mental health, which is an invisible pandemic. Take a look.
There is a need for mental health interventions, but there is less demand. So we need to create that demand. We all understand there is a problem, but how many people come forward to seek the professional help? So that is where we are lagging behind, and that's the stigma, that's the mental health literacy, where we can work upon, and conclave like this are very important in creating awareness amongst the masses so that people can come forward and seek professional help.
Dr. Nagpal, the same question to you. And in fact, I want to understand from you whether mental health crisis has been rising over the years, or we're just becoming more aware. It was always there, but now we're becoming more aware and we know what each situation, each crisis is called.
Thank you. Thank you, all of you. I think, first of all, it's intriguing that such a topic is being taken up on a multifactorial and also multidisciplinary forum. Two aspects come to my mind, taking the clue from what Dr. Dhamija mentioned. One, mind as a component of day-to-day health has often been ignored, neglected and condemned as you grow up in a stereotype, stigmatized society. Second, mind as a complement to physical health and not competitive to it. Two factors have influenced the acceptance of mental health in a culture which has 3,000 years of mental health capacity building. The Indian knowledge systems, the Panchakoshas, the Varunas and the Doshas. So that's one point. Second, what brings us closer to an invisible pandemic? India accepting it. India accepting it without stigma, with awareness, with professionals coming up in a big way now. The reason is, we also believed in about 25 years, the new millennium now, that non-communicable problems, non-communicable disorders, जो हम पहले सोचते थे कि Western concept है, hypertension, obesity, diabetes, cancer, drug abuse, depression, what else? Road traffic accidents. When the data came in, and we were destined to be one of the capitals in the world for all these, you go and see the data now. Obesity, we are a pandemic. Cardiovascular disease, we are a pandemic. Then I think our thinkers, our policymakers have also realized they are all, majority of them are human behavior related. You won't find many of them in rural settings. The urban India pandemic is also non-communicable disorders in which mental health is leading now. Because my obesity, my cardiovascular, my cerebrovascular, my dietary patterns, we heard 3 questions just now, is influenced by the way I think, feel and behave.